Hey, it's LSFD here today. Welcome back to the channel. We have fresh results from the JD Power 2025 US Initial Quality Study, and Lexus once again proves why it's one of the most trusted brands on the road. But surprisingly, Toyota, its parent company, has dropped below the industry average. In this video, we're going to break down the brand rankings, segment winners, and I'll also cover the Manufacturer Plant Quality Awards, where Lexus and Toyota dominates globally. Let's dive in. The Initial Quality Study, IQS, measures the number of problems new vehicle owners experience in the first 90 days of ownership. These are real customer complaints covering everything from infotainment glitches to mechanical issues. The lower the score, or problems per 100 vehicles, the better. So this is one of the most accurate early indications of build quality, reliability, and how polished a vehicle feels right out of the showroom. And sometimes I would say it is also dealership experience as well, because if they forget to initialize your seats or initialize your lift back, or they miss putting a fuse in during setting up your vehicle, then that would be a problem as well that you have to go back to the dealership to fix. So let's start with the clear winner, Lexus. Lexus has earned the top spot among luxury brands and had one of the lowest problem rates of any brand, luxury or mainstream. This shows that Lexus continues to focus on refinement, consistency, and craftsmanship. Models like the NX, RX, and the ES continue to score well with few complaints in areas like fit and finish, drive feel, and driver assist systems. Meanwhile, Toyota dropped below the industry's average in the 2025 study, a big surprise for a brand with such a strong reputation for reliability. This doesn't mean that Toyota vehicles are unreliable long term, but it does suggest more issues early on, especially with tech and infotainment. Toyota's latest infotainment system has received mixed feedback. Vehicles like the BZ4X, or now the BZ, the Crown, and even the new Prius has complaints about software bugs and usability. It seems Toyota is still adjusting to the rapid tech change in today's cars. But then when you think about it, Toyota's multimedia system and the Lexus interface are essentially the same system. So why are owners having a different experience? Is it the dealership going through the vehicle so that you don't have any questions? Or in the Toyota world, things are just a little bit different? So now here's where things get really interesting. Even though Toyota as a brand has dropped, its manufacturing plants won big in the 2025 Plant Quality Awards. The award recognizes factories around the world that build vehicles with the fewest number of defects and malfunctions. So you can see here they also show the numbers. Platinum Award goes to the BMW, and that's in Austria, which has 20 defects per 100 vehicles, and it produces the BMW Z4. In North America, we get the Toyota Motor Corporation Cambridge South, Ontario, and it is getting the Gold Award for 27 problems per 100 vehicles, and that's the Lexus RX. We also have Toyota Motor Corporation, Georgetown 3 in Kentucky getting gold, and that's 27 issues, and that's the Lexus ES that gets built there. Then we have the Honda Motor Corporation in Alliston, Ontario, getting the bronze with 31 issues per 100 vehicles, and that's where the CR-V is being built. Hyundai Motor Corporation, they have in Mexico a plant getting the bronze with 31 issues, where the Hyundai Tucson and the Kia K4. So when you look at this, only the Toyota Kentucky is in the United States, 2 Canada and 1 Mexico. So is it because we do not have enough plants in the US? or the quality of the US plants are just not as good as the Canadian and the Mexican plants. We move down to the Asia Pacific. We can see another Toyota Motor Corporation, the Tahara plant, getting gold in Japan with 26 issues, home of the IS, LS, and the NX. We have the Hyundai Motor Corporation in Korea, silver with 30 issues, the Kia Seltos, and the Kia Soul. Another Hyundai plant getting silver, 30, having the Genesis G70, G80, G90, and the Hyundai Tucson with 30 issues per 100. Last but not least, going to Europe and Africa, we have the Audi AG in Hungary getting silver at 27 issues, building the Q3. Last but not least, we have a bronze for Germany in the BMW AG, BMW 4 Series, and 5 Series with 31 issues per 100 vehicles. So these awards show that Lexus' exceptional initial quality isn't just luck. It's built at the best plant in the world. Even Toyota's mass-market vehicles benefit from the same manufacturing disciplines. It's tech integration that seems to be the weak spot right now, and not the build quality. And I've already said this many times. The biggest issues with Toyota and Lexus right now is software. I've complained about not getting software updates frequently. I just posted on my Instagram saying that it's been a year. It's been a year that I have not seen a software update on my NX. Someone comes back and says it's one of the first vehicles that says that there will be an over-the-air update, but it doesn't mean that they will continue to support it. And if this is the behavior and the mindset of Toyota and Lexus, this is going to be a problem for them at the end. They will have to continue to support these vehicles, especially when there are issues and bugs that they have not ironed out. I'm not asking for new features, but really just fixing issues that we're seeing. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think? Do you think that Toyota and Lexus software is the weak spot? And do you think that we should be continuously getting updates at least for the first 10 to 15 years?
Follow me on Instagram at LSFT Videos. You can see updates on my experience with the NX 450h Plus, which may not be shown on any future videos. You can reach out to me via direct messaging if you have any questions on your Lexus. If you like this video, you can provide me feedback in the comments below, like this video, share it with your friends. This definitely will help with the YouTube algorithms. Press the subscribe button and bell icon and get notified when new videos show up. And lastly, if you want to support me further, you can provide me a super thanks, or visit my Amazon storefront before you purchase anything from Amazon, or you can purchase products from the list on the items that I've been using with my vehicle or at home at no extra cost to you. And now let's continue with the video.
So now let's look at the J.D. Power 2025 US Initial Quality Study. Lexus being number 1 is 166 problems per 100 vehicles, which means you have 1.6 problems per vehicle. And then when you look at the mainstream, Nissan, 169, really doing quite well for them. So we're very close to only 3 problems less than Lexus here. Then we go to Hyundai with 173, Jaguar with 175. We have the Chevrolet at 178. We have Honda at 179, Dodge at 180, Kia 181, Buick 183. And then we have Genesis at 183. So Buick and Genesis are tied there. We have Jeep 186, Subaru at 187, Porsche at 188. So the study average is 192. So almost 2 issues per vehicle. So coming down, we have Ford 193, BMW 196, Acura 198, GMC 199, Cadillac and Toyota tied at 200, 2 issues per vehicle. We have Lincoln at 206, Land Rover 208, Mercedes at 210, Chrysler at 213, Mini at 218, Ram 218, Mitsubishi at 222, Mazda at 225, and Volkswagen at 225. Infiniti jumps at 242, we have Volvo at 258, and Audi at 269. So resale value wise, we saw in the Car Edge video that I had, Audi seems to be quite good in resale value, but when you look at problems, they're on the bottom of the list. Then we look at Tesla, we're at 200, and Rivian at 274. These brands are not ranked because they do not meet the criteria to get into the list. But even if you look at it, Tesla is very close to where Toyota is, and Rivian is on the bottom of the list. So we look at now the highest quality model is the Porsche 911. Then we look at the small premium car. We have the Acura Integra is the highest ranked with BMW 2 Series with the honorable mentions. When you look at the midsize car, we have the Nissan Altima, the Chevrolet Malibu, and the Sonata is tied. Then we have the compact car with the Nissan Sentra, with the K4 and the Elantra being following that. The premium sporty car, we have the Porsche 911 and the Chevrolet Corvette. We have the premium car, we have the Lexus IS, we have the Genesis G70, and the CT4 from Cadillac. Upper mid-size premium car, we have the Mercedes-Benz CLE, we have the E-Class, and the G80. Mid-size premium car, highest ranked is the Lexus ES, and it seems like there is no other model in this category. So it's almost like an automatic win for Lexus here. We have the sporty car, and same thing. We have the Ford Mustang and the Toyota 86. All right, we continue down here, and now we look at the SUVs. So the small SUV, we have the Buick Encore GX, we have the Kia Soul, we have the Chevrolet Trailblazer, and the Ford Bronco Sport Tide. In the midsize premium SUV, we have the Cadillac XT5, we have the Land Rover Defender. I'm surprised, right? Land Rover on this list with the Lexus RX, and that's tied. We look at the small premium SUV, we have the Audi Q3, we have the Lexus UX, the Mercedes-Benz GLA. Looking at the upper size SUV, we have the Kia Telluride, Subaru Accent, the Palisade, and the Nissan Pathfinder tied for number 3. Compact SUV, we have the Ford Escape, Jeep Wrangler, and Nissan Rogue. So we don't have the RAV4. Upper midsize premium SUV, we have the BMW X6, Genesis GV80, and the Porsche Cayenne. Premium compact SUV, we have the Acura RDX, the NX is here as number 2, and we have the BMW X4. Large SUV, we see the Chevrolet Tahoe, we have the Toyota Sequoia, Chevrolet Suburban. Midsize SUV, we see that the Chevrolet Blazer, Honda Passport, and the Crown Signia gets number 3. Large premium SUV, BMW X7, Range Rover, and the GLS from Mercedes. So when we look at the vans and pickups, okay, so we look at the minivan, the Odyssey is the highest rank with the Pacifica and the Carnival. So Sienna did not make it. So that's why Toyota is actually not getting very high points here. Mid-side pickup, we have the Hyundai Santa Cruz, which is tied with the Gladiator from Jeep, and then number 3 is the Nissan Frontier. For the large light-duty pickup, we have a tie here, the F-150 and the Chevrolet Silverado. And the number 3 is a Toyota Tundra. Then we have the large-duty pickup, the Ford Super Duty, and the Silverado HD. So some key takeaways. Lexus is still one of the most bulletproof brands you can buy. Not only do their vehicles win quality awards, their factories are winning too. Toyota, on the other hand, still builds great cars, but they need to improve how they integrate software and tech features. The good news is Toyota's manufacturing backbone from Cambridge to Kentucky to the Tahara plant is still one of the best in the world. So we aren't too concerned about mechanical, but we're concerned about software. So what do you think about these results? Do you drive a Lexus and Toyota and have had issues in the first 90 days? Are they all tech related? Let me know in the comments below. I'll continue to track updates like this so that if you're into Toyota, Lexus, or any automotive insights, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. I hope that you found that this video was informative, and until next video, drive safely. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment, like, share this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get notified when new videos are posted. And if you'd like to support this channel, you can provide me a super thanks. And until next time, cheers.